I wake up early to work in the garden. I wake up early to work in the garden. I walk slowly to my small vegetable garden. I walk slowly to my small vegetable garden. The old man prepares the tools carefully. The old man prepares the tools carefully. I check the soil before planting. I check the soil before planting. The ground looks soft and ready. The ground looks soft and ready. I plant carrots in a straight line. I plant carrots in a straight line. The old man plants potatoes in the soil. The old man plants potatoes in the soil. I put tomato seeds into small holes. I put tomato seeds into small holes. And the seeds rest quietly under the soil. The seeds rest quietly under the soil. I cover the seeds with fresh soil. I cover the seeds with fresh soil. I plant corn near the fence. I plant corn near the fence. Well, the corn grows tall in the sun. The corn grows tall in the sun. I grow green beans on a wooden stick. I grow green beans on a wooden stick. The beans climb up slowly. The beans climb up slowly. I plant cucumbers beside the garden wall. I plant cucumbers beside the garden wall. I water the tomato plants every morning. I water the tomato plants every morning. The old man checks the leaves carefully. The old man checks the leaves carefully. I remove the yellow leaves from the plants. I remove the yellow leaves from the plants. The plants look healthier now. The plants look healthier now. I give water to the cucumber plants. I give water to the cucumber plants. I plant cabbage in the soft soil. I plant cabbage in the soft soil. The cabbage grows round and green. The cabbage grows round and green. I grow onions in small rows. I grow onions in small rows. The onions stay under the ground. The onions stay under the ground. I plant chili peppers near the corner. I plant chili peppers near the corner. I see small peppers on the plant. I see small peppers on the plant. I touch the leaves gently. I touch the leaves gently. The leaves feel soft and fresh. The leaves feel soft and fresh. I check the plants every day. I check the plants every day. I check the plants every day. I plant lettuce in a cool place. I plant lettuce in a cool place. The lettuce grows quickly in the shade. The lettuce grows quickly in the shade. I water the spinach in the afternoon. I water the spinach in the afternoon. The spinach leaves look dark green. The spinach leaves look dark green. I grow herbs near the kitchen. I grow herbs near the kitchen. I dig the soil around the plants. I dig the soil around the plants. The old man uses a small shovel. The old man uses a small shovel. I move the soil gently. I move the soil gently. The roots stay safe under the ground. The roots stay safe under the ground. I keep the garden clean and neat. I keep the garden clean and neat. I plant eggplants near the sunny area. I plant eggplants near the sunny area. The eggplants grow purple and shiny. The eggplants grow purple and shiny. I grow pumpkins in a large space. I grow pumpkins in a large space. The pumpkins spread on the ground. The pumpkins spread on the ground. I plant sweet potatoes in soft soil.
I plant sweet potatoes in soft soil.
I plant sweet potatoes in soft soil. I water the plants when the sun is hot. I water the plants when the sun is hot. The old man watches the sky carefully. The old man watches the sky carefully. I protect the plants from strong wind. I protect the plants from strong wind. The plants stay safe and strong. The plants stay safe and strong. I give love to every plant. I give love to every plant. I pick red tomatoes from the plant. I pick red tomatoes from the plant. The tomatoes look fresh and juicy. The tomatoes look fresh and juicy. I collect green cucumbers in a basket. I collect green cucumbers in a basket. The basket becomes full quickly. The basket becomes full quickly. I take carrots from the soil. I take carrots from the soil. I dig potatoes out of the ground. I dig potatoes out of the ground. The potatoes look clean and big. The potatoes look clean and big. I cut fresh lettuce for lunch. I cut fresh lettuce for lunch. The leaves feel soft in my hands. The leaves feel soft in my hands. I gather onions from the garden. I gather onions from the garden. I hold the corn in my hands proudly. I hold the corn in my hands proudly. I see many vegetables ready to eat. I see many vegetables ready to eat. The garden gives healthy food. The garden gives healthy food. I enjoy the beauty of my garden. I enjoy the beauty of my garden. I remove weeds from the soil. I remove weeds from the soil. The old man cleans the garden path. The old man cleans the garden path. I throw away dry leaves. I throw away dry leaves. The garden looks fresh again. The garden looks fresh again. I fix the plant supports carefully. I fix the plant supports carefully. I plant new seeds for the next season. I plant new seeds for the next season. The soil feels warm and ready. The soil feels warm and ready. I choose strong seeds to grow. I choose strong seeds to grow. The old man prepares another row. The old man prepares another row. I water the new seeds gently. 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 I see birds near the garden. I see birds near the garden. The birds sing in the morning. The birds sing in the morning. I watch butterflies on the flowers. I watch butterflies on the flowers. The garden feels alive and happy. The garden feels alive and happy. I listen to the sounds of nature. I listen to the sounds of nature. I clean my tools after work. I clean my tools after work. The tools stay in a small box. The tools stay in a small box. I wash my hands with water. I wash my hands with water. I sit quietly and look at the garden. I sit quietly and look at the garden. I sit quietly and look at the garden. I feel calm after a long day. I feel calm after a long day. The garden looks beautiful at sunset. The garden looks beautiful at sunset. I smile at my hard work. I smile at my hard work. I enjoy the cool evening air. I enjoy the cool evening air. I think about tomorrow's work. I think about tomorrow's work. The plants will grow more overnight. The plants will grow more overnight. I plan to plant more vegetables. I plan to plant more vegetables. The old man dreams about a bigger garden. The old man dreams about a bigger garden. I hope for a good harvest again. I hope for a good harvest again. I love working in my garden every day. I love working in my garden every day. The garden brings me joy and peace. The garden brings me joy and peace. The old man lives a simple life. The old man lives a simple life. Oh, I feel happy with my garden life. I feel happy with my garden life.